Good afternoon, class 7. Today I am going to tell you how to apply the formula in MS Excel. Suppose that I have already created a table. Okay. And here is name, class, maths, SST, science, total, average. You better know that column name is defined by A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I already told you. Okay. And row name is defined as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I also told you the formula will start from equal to sign. The formula will start from the equal to sign, and this formula we will write in where? Formula bar. This is the formula bar. Here we write by the help of cell address. By the help of cell address. You better know that how we find the cell address. The combination of row and column name. The combination of row and column name. So I want to total of the marks math, SST and science. So then what is the cell address of this 68? What is the cell address of this 68? This is C and this is 2. That means the cell address of this cell is what? C2. The cell address of this cell is what? C2. Okay. And this D2 and this E2. Then how will we add? How will we find the total? So for total just you write here equal to C2 plus D2 plus E2. C2 plus D2 plus E2 and press enter button. Press what? Enter button. As you press enter button, the total of this three subject is come in this cell. Okay. So what is the total? 8 for 12 to 14. 8 7 15, 15 and 6 21 or 1 22. That means when you click the enter button, then 224 has appear on your this cell. Okay. Now what is the total of this number? So similarly, this is the cell of C3, this is the cell of D3, this is the cell of E3. So not necessary to write once again. Okay. Just you bring your mouse here, and if there is plus symbol appear on your screen, then just you drag that. Just you drag your mouse. As you drag your mouse, this column total will appear here, this row total will appear here, and this row total will appear here. That means 6 6 12 to 14, 5 5 10 1 18, 9 5 14. Okay. 7 8 15 or 5 20, 2 6 8 and 8 7 15 or 4 90. Like this. Not necessary to write formula more than one time. Just you write one time only and bring the mouse here at the corner side, and if plus symbol will appear on your screen, just to drag that. Okay. It is not affected by the number of the row. How many row you have created, that is doesn't matter that. Okay, just you drag that. Okay. Then here is what? Average. How we find the average? What is this? What is the address of this? Address of this what? F2. So here just to delete this formula and write here what? F2, how many subject? 1, 2, 3. F2 divided by 3. F2 divided by 3 and once again press enter button. Once again press enter button. Okay. As you press enter button, whatever average, that means if we divide 3, then what? 7 and 4 point something, 74 point something. Then what is the average of this number? So this is F2, this is what? F3. So you should write here F3, but not necessary to write F3. Once again, just to go to your mouse and at the corner, if plus symbol will appear, just to drag that. Okay, all average will be appear on your screen. Okay, this is the first way to make the arithmetical operation. Okay, instead of plus, you can do multiply also, minus also, exponential also, and mode also. What is the second way? Second way is just you select this. Just you select this row. Only just you select by the help of the mouse. Okay. Here is this types of symbol. Okay. Here is this types of symbol, and here when you click this type of symbol and written here what? Auto sum. What written? Auto sum. When you click here, number of the option will appear on your screen, such as sum, difference, average, count. Right now you want to sum, no? So just to click on the sum. As you click on the sum, this output will appear on your screen. That means by the help of the auto sum also we can find the average also, we can find the differentiate also, we can count the column also like this. Okay, this is the second way. What is the third way? Third way is by the help of the function. How we add? For the adding, there is a sum function. Sum. S-U-M. Sum. Okay. But before sum, you should write here what? Equal to. I already told you when you write the formula, then before writing the formula, you should write equal to sign. Sum. And what is the initial cell? From which cell you want to add? Initial cell is what? C2. Up to from which cell you want to add? Up to what? I want to add what? E2. Not like to D2. Just to write C2 colon what? E2. That is the range of cell. That is the range of cell. In previous chapter, I already told you what is the range of cell. The range of cell is from initial cell to final cell. Okay, it will cover all the cell. Okay, so equal to sum C2 colon E2 and press the enter button. Okay, similarly, you can find the average also. What? AVG equal to AVG or average what? For F2. Okay, just to write AVG or here you write what? F2 and press enter button. That means you can do the arithmetical operation by the help of three ways. One is manual, just to write the every cell name. Another is auto with the help of this symbol. Okay, and another way is by the help of predefined function. There is number of the predefined function available in MS Excel, like a sum, average, count. Okay, such types of function is available in MS Excel. Okay, by this way we can do the arithmetical operation. And one more thing, when you drag this node, that is the what we are doing. 82, this 224 is appear, then just write the corner, keep the mouse on the corner or just drag it. We are copy the formula. We are copy the formula. By the help of the copy the formula, it will add it. Okay. So in this way we can do the arithmetical operation in MS Excel. Thank you.